you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Yo, what is up, guys? It is Give here, back again with another video. Today, you guys are learning how to bhop. Step 1, you gotta enable your developer console. By doing that, you go to your settings menu, game settings, and then you check this from no to yes. And then you want to open up the console and type in these two commands, one after the other. You type in bind and wheel up plus jump, and then you want to copy and paste that command right into here and change up to down. What that does is it changes your weapon changer, so instead of doing this, your mouse is going to do this. And pretty much why that's useful, changing your mouse wheel to your jump, is so that it's like an auto hotkey. It pretty much spams your jump for when you hit the ground. Instead of trying to hit it with your spacebar, which is pretty much impossible because you have to hit the perfect time once you hit the ground to once you leave the ground. And then get used to this motion. Just spamming your scroll wheel once you hit the ground. I missed right there. Also get used to strafing like this. Hold the A key and look left, and then hold the D key and look right. What that'll do is keep up your speed, because you can't just go like this to bhop. You know, you gotta strafe with it. Get that little wavy motion, just like you're doing a surf pretty much. You already know how it is. But yeah, just get used to that motion, strafe with it. Practice doing, with your strafes, doing circles. So just run in a circle to here, semicircle, whatever you call it. Run in a circle to here. What you want to start doing is jumping and then looking to the left and holding the A key, or looking to the right and holding the D key. I suggest practicing both. After you get used to that, then what you want to do is start practicing multiple of those. So you just want to just get used to that motion. And after you do that, you want to get multiple strafes in if you'd like. So getting multiple strafes looks like this. Just like that, nice and smooth. Also, a little reminder, just like you're doing a surf, you never want to hold the W key or D key or pretty much anything else while you're strafing or bunny hopping in general. If this tutorial was garbage, put it in the comments. If it helped you, put it in the comments. If it did anything in general, put it in the comments. If you want me to make another video on this, that's more in depth, because I'm really weird right now and don't know how to describe it. It just comes to you naturally after a long time, but yeah, just say and I'll try to describe it better. But you really want it to be like butter. You don't want to go into it choppy or anything. Yeah. I don't know how to describe it. I'll make another video sometime. Thanks for watching.